What are some tips you'd give for people starting investing in their 20s or 30s? So I want to give 2 do's and 2 don'ts. So starting with the don'ts. So first of all, don't listen to the tips you get from people on YouTube, from your friends, from your Uber driver who's telling you to buy Afterpay shares, from the bloke that told you to buy cryptocurrency last year. Don't listen to them. It's not going to help you grow your money. Cast all of that to the side, because in reality, that's not investing advice, that's gambling advice. And you might as well take that money off and bet it on the races, take it to the TAB. Don't confuse investing from gambling, which is tip number 2. And in terms of what you should be doing, you should be spreading your money as widely as possible. Invest into thousands of companies if you can. We do it with exchange traded funds, which allows you to do it easily. It will make sure you benefit from whatever companies are successful in the future. And my second tip would be make small sacrifices today. It doesn't have to be a lot. Forgo that breakfast that you're going to go out and have this week. Make a little saving here or there, $20 or $50. You'll barely notice it today, but those small sacrifices, once invested and compounding and earning returns over the long run, will have a huge impact. And what you will notice, and your friends will notice, is in the future when you are able to buy that house or that car or go on that other holiday that they weren't able to. And that is the power of long-term investing.